friends, today we are going to do an experiment based on Newton's first law of motion or inertia. Newton's first law of motion describes that stationary stays stationary and something moving stays moving in a straight line until a force is applied to it. So we have 3 experiments which will define inertia. In the first experiment you need a jar filled with water and a handkerchief. First flatten the handkerchief and then put the cup of jar in the center. Now let's pull the handkerchief and see. The cup was stationary and stayed stationary. Now for the second experiment you need an egg, a tissue paper roll and a cardboard square. Now I am going to pull the cardboard. The egg fell inside because the first law of motion defines that stationary stays stationary. Now for the third experiment I am going to show you that a moving object stays in motion. For this I am going to give this a little tug.